Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check GPU weight and the bracket kit fit the card's length and slot spacing. Once done, power down the PC, unplug it, and ground yourself so you won't static damage components. Remove the case side panel and clear workspace. Make room to maneuver. Next, loosely install the motherboard side bracket or standoff where the bracket anchors. This lets you align without forcing screws. Make sure screws thread smoothly before you fully tighten anything. You now mount the bracket arm to the case's PCI brace or designated expansion slot. Align the bracket pad under the GPU backplate or edge of the PCB. This supports where the card sags most. Once aligned, insert the spacer or set adjustable arm so there's about 0.5 mm clearance. You want support without upward pressure. Then tighten screws a bit at a time and recheck GPU seating in the PCIe slot and fan clearance. Make small adjustments. Finish by fully tightening the bracket hardware while keeping an eye on alignment. Then reattach the case panel and boot the system. You should monitor temperatures and fan behavior for 10-15 minutes to confirm no pressure is interfering with cooling. If the GPU shifts later, power down, loosen the bracket, realign the spacer, or add a second support point nearer the card's end. If problems persist, check PCIe contact, reseat the card, and run a short stress test to validate stability and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.